Hi guys! Today we are going to identify more succulents, but this time we are going to add some colorful species. My name is Teresa Ebro of Chopstick and Succulents, and this is video part 3 of our succulent identification guessing game. Let's start with this one. This is a dark colored rosette shaped succulent. This is an Echeveria Black Prince. Now this one is small and there's a mixture of pink, green, and cream colors on its leaves. This is Anna Campseros Delifiastrum variegata, and this is a hybrid. How about this one here? This one has the same sized leaves as our previous one, but with green and dark purple shade. Well, this is also Anna Campseros rufescens. This one has leaves that are spiky but also arranged in a rosette. Its leaves are thick and have some thin powdery coatings. This is Pachyveria glauca, or little jewel. Now, this one here is very pretty and stressed. This is definitely a hybrid, and with a mixing colors of blue to blue-green, dark pink, purple grayish hues. There's so many colors mixing. This is an Echeveria chroma. This one has stacked leaves. This is a Crassula perforata, or string of buttons. This one also has stacked leaves, but with a little bit puffy and more compact. This is also a Crassula baby's necklace. Now this one, we have shown this in our previous IDs, but this time this is the colorful version. This is a Sedum Adolphii golden glow. Here's another one that we've also shown in our previous IDs, but this one is grown in full sun. This is Sediveria blue elf. Can you see the bluish tone of its leaves? This is a cross between Sedum and Echeveria. Let me show you another Sediveria. This is Sediveria Letitia. This has apple green leaves with tinge of red on the edges that can intensify depending on the sunlight received, but this can turn all green when in shade. Here's another beautiful Sediveria. This is Sediveria lilac mist. It has beautiful pale pink to silver blue pastel colors. How are you doing so far? Did you guess some of them right? We've identified 11 succulents so far, and I hope you learned something today and I did not confuse you. Let me know what's your struggle with your succulents, either identifying them or caring for them. And if you're new to succulents, you can grab a free copy of the Beginner's Guide to Growing Succulents. The link is in the description below. I will see you in the next video. Have a great day, everyone. Bye.